All right, guys, I only have a couple hours to fish before my daughter's birthday party, so I'm going to go out there and try to get at them. They were hot last night. Let's see if here in the late morning, if I can get a few bites myself again. So we'll see you out on the pond. It's already super hot out. It's supposed to be like 89 today, lower 90s. Let's see. First cast. Happens all the time. See you guys do it all the time. First cast fish. Not my luck today, guys, on the first cast. Alright guys, so we are going to tie on a different color. I'm about at the end of my leader here, but I'm going to tie it on anyways. Only got a couple feet left, so. Oh, fish on. Is it color? Just switched. That's a good one. Switched colors. Finally got a fish. So I went from white to a green pumpkin, and this is a green pumpkin red flake. Looks like Zoom is no longer going to make it. It's one of my favorite colors. I'm going to have to write them emails, something. If I can't get Zoom to make it, maybe I can get one of the small guys to make it for me in this little grub. But it's one of my favorite colors. It's just about a pound and a half, something like that. Not too bad, but it is a fish. It did not get skunked, and sometimes, guys, you just got to change it up. So here we go. Didn't get skunked. Don't be afraid of change. Oh, fish on. So, all within maybe 20 casts, after changing colors, I've gotten 2 fish. This guy came up as I was popping it through the weeds, didn't like what he saw. It's like, hey, you in my territory? And that's about what it was. So another one about the same size. This one's a little bit bigger than that last one. We're gonna get a quick picture. Love taking pictures of my fish. Love sharing with you guys. Love sharing the information of what I'm doing. You guys got to remember, I fish here in Northeast Illinois, Southeast Wisconsin. Literally like 99.9% of the time it's in Wisconsin. But I have been fishing in here in Illinois a little bit more. Found myself a nice little honey hole next to my house, and it's not producing huge fish. I have caught some nice, really nice ones here. I have seen some big ones here. So hopefully in the fall this bite's going to turn on. I'm going to get some big girls. Let's let this one go. It's pretty awesome when you can make a decision on color, at least. I mean, it's virtually the same lure, a swim jig with a Zoom Fat Albert grub style trailer. But it's pretty sweet when you make a decision like, hey, I'm going to change colors. You know, I'm going to keep fishing this style, this type of lure, but I'm going to change colors, and it actually works. Very, very good feeling. Yeah, I got him. I got him. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. It's another nice one. Oh, she got herself buried. Oh, this may be the biggest bass that I've caught here. Pumpkin, guys. That pumpkin. Oh my God. Midday. Midday in the afternoon, guys. This is on the same spot that I've got most of these fish on. You're gonna have to excuse me because I'm gonna have to clean off the camera because I'm sure it got splashed. Give me a second here. This pond, there we go, that should be better. This pond, guys, this pond is going to produce some nice fish for me. Holy cow. That was a solid hook set. She wasn't getting loose. It was in there. Holy cow. This is easily 4.5. If this isn't 4.5, I'll be extremely surprised. .3. Woohoo! Finally got myself on a 5-pound bass this year. Man, it's been forever. It's been forever. This is freaking awesome. 5.3. Oh my God, I gotta get a length on this thing. I'll do this as quickly as I possibly can. Should have had this stuff out and ready, but I wasn't thinking midday here that this was even going to come close to happening. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, here it is. That's a 20-inch fish, guys. 20-inch fish. She's fat. Let's get some pictures. Pictures never do a fish justice. I can't even get this girl all the way in. Change that jig. Best thing I could have done. Oh man, that is awesome. Another quick just to be sure. See you guys, again, 5.3. What a freaking awesome fish. Awesome, awesome fish. Let's get her back in. Fish like this, you want to preserve for sure. Go ahead, girl. Come on. You got it in you. Don't make me walk in this water to get you out there. There we go. A little deeper. There you go. Come on, kick. There you go. Whew. Wasn't gonna come out today, guys. It's my daughter's birthday was a couple days ago. Today is her party for family. What an awesome fish. This right here, guys, it's a Bass Pro Shop Enticer swim jig. It's essentially a Strike King swim jig with Bass Pro Shop's name on it. It's a Fat Albert, Zoom Fat Albert grub style tail. This is pumpkin to match the jig, which is pumpkin red flake, and the trailer is pumpkin red flake. It's got some black flake in it too. So happy I came out. This has been a great weekend. Got my buddy on his first 4-pounder using a swim jig yesterday. Showing him the ropes here. He's fairly new. My neighbor Gil. And got myself a 3.5 and a bunch of fish yesterday as well. And then today got myself a 5.3. Oh man, whew. After all this stuff I've been going through lately with my car and everything, it's been such a relief to get out here and get on some good fish, and in a small, very small retention pond nonetheless. Well guys, today's session is over. My 2 hours are complete. It ended on a stud 5.3, 5 pounds 3 ounces. That's almost 5.25 pounds. It was a good day. Now I'm gonna go visit the family at my daughter's birthday party. Don't forget to check out the links at the end of my videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, fish on.